what is your problem that, or what that you are facing?
Yeah, the first issue is how to analyze and entering, and then the other issue is how to scale down from, let's say, higher time frame to lower time frame we are supposed to enter.
Okay.
And then the setting of stop loss.
Yes.
Yeah, those are the key things here that I'm always, like, for example, like when I wake up, let's say I now go to my MetaTrade 5,
Yeah.
what should I do? That's what I want to know.
Okay. Okay. We'll do that. You have my strategy, PDF strategy, yeah?
Yeah, I do have the two. Yeah,
Let's show you something now.
I have those PDFs, the two of them.
Oh, okay. So you know that we're dealing with conditions, entries, stops, and targets when we deal on that. When we talk
Yes.
of the methodology. So we have the conditions, we've got the entries, we've got the targets, stops, and the targets. So these four things are very important in your arsenal of trading. These four things, understand?
And yes.
Are very, very important to have. I'm going to show you just now. Let's do this, but with the conditions of the market, because it's where you have to analyze. As you said, you're struggling with analyzing the market, right? So let's go on the daily.
Yeah.
So what you do first thing when you open your chart on the daily.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, what you do on your daily, you look for the low, the recent low. So what you do, write it down. You look for the recent low of the market and the recent high of the market. So in this case, our recent low is this one, and the recent high would be this one, but it just happened now, so you can't count it. It would be here. See, these are the two things you look at. This is your structure.
Okay.
So this is how you put your horizontal lines. You put them on the wicks, not on the bodies, but on the wicks. You see.
Yes, yeah.
So after doing that, you now check for trend. You understand? From your first high or from the first low. Whether the trend is up, you check from the first. If the trend is going down, you check from the first high point that you have marked to the downside. If your trend is going up, you check you put your trend line from this point to the upside. So let's just see where the market is going at the moment. But it's clearly in a downtrend. So you put your trend line like that. You see, you put it on the first week, second week, and now it connects to the third week, which confirms our downtrend now. it does confirm this is a downtrend. Understand?
Downtrend. Yes.
This is how I got this trade here, and send it to you guys in this area.
Yesterday.
Yes, because this is a valuable area here. You see, already the structure tells this is a resistance. The market turned here, and then previous time it turned here, it turned here, it turned here. So this area here where this market turned, it's a very valuable. You can extend this line, you see what I'm talking about. You see, it was rejected here from support.
Yeah.
And then now it was broken, and then it's now a resistance. So we call this area a flip zone. It's a flip zone. It's where the market always respects price when it gets here. So on my daily, already on the daily, I have 3 things that I've made on the daily. Without me looking for entries and entry reasons, already I have my conditions. I know that the trend is down. I know that market is on my resistance, broken the support, and then became resistant, which is a flip zone. Now, with all this information now, I have now a plan of saying I'm gonna only look for sales in this area. So from this area, you know that if your market is really in a sell situation, do this because we're still on the daily, remember. So you're gonna
yes
the market to come here on this recent low here, just to test whether this area can hold or not. Understand? So imagine we're still on the day, haven't looked at any other possibilities on the smaller time frame. So you have to always check the daily. The daily will tell you the whole information of the market. So when you go to a lower time frame, you're going on a lower time frame with more information of saying, I know the market is on a downtrend, and I know the market is at an area of value, and I'm going to do 1, 2, 3. You understand? So now we have the conditions.
Yes.
We have the conditions, we have structure, and we have the direction of the market. These 3 things, we're looking at them on the daily time frame. We have the conditions, we have the structure, and we have the direction of the market.
Okay.
Are we still together?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. That's good, man. Now, with all this information, we're moving to where we're gonna enter the market. You understand? So me, I'm gonna place my trade on the 1 hour. So because that's the most reliable time frame for me, because I understand it better. But if you wanna go to a lower time frame, we still go to a lower time frame. Understand?
But let me ask you something. You said your entry time frame is 1 hour. Let's say I have a capital of $50 US. Can I able to trade from that time frame?
Yes. You can, even if you have $15, even if you have $5, you can enter on 1 hour. You see right here, right here. The market is still at an area of value where we wouldn't know where it's gonna go now, because we don't wanna force the market to do something it's not gonna do. But look at this. I'm just gonna show you on the 1 hour. This is an area of value. The market came to this area. It rejected now. It's a double bottom. You see it? The double bottom here. The market can do 2 things in this area now as we speak. It's the live current market. If we were live trading now, we were going to look for opportunities on this area. Understand? Now, what I'm looking at is the market that doesn't want to trade to the low, because now we're having a high here. Because if the market was going to go further down, it wasn't supposed to break this level. So now it broke and closed above this level here. It closed above this level. Understand?
So you, can I ask you something? You say here double bottom, isn't it? You said there is a double bottom here.
Yes, there is a double bottom. This is a bottom, and then this is a bottom in an area of value. This is a support. This is a support area. Now you see it.
Okay, yeah.
So that's why a lot of people would miss it because they wouldn't notice it because they don't know what to look for. But if you write these things down and you know what to look for, you're gonna see that this was a rejection here. This is also a rejection here. And then now, what the market is doing now, what we're gonna wait for is the market to give us a head and shoulder here. It's gonna give us a head and shoulder. This is a shoulder, this is a head, and then we're waiting for this shoulder to form now. If it gives us this, we go in. Understand? Yes.
Yes.
If it doesn't give us the shoulder, it gives us the double bottom. If it gives us this, then we wait for confirmation of a candle pattern here. Because here you cannot enter here. You don't have the reason to enter. Or for me, I don't have the reason to enter because I don't enter on dojis and what. I wait for engulfing candles. So with this one, it wasn't gonna be an entry, but this one also is also risky for me because it's very high. I cannot enter on this engulfing candle with the risk that I wanna risk. Understand? So I would wait for market to come and give me a proper engulfing candle here, and then I enter the market to this level. You get it? But then that's not the only thing I'm looking at. So if you are a trader, you don't look at that thing alone. So now, what you're looking at now is a market that is trending to the downside. This is a trend line here. So market can still do this, and still consolidate to this area, and then break down. Yeah. So you have to always wait. It doesn't mean when you get this double bottom, it means you have to rush to enter the market. No, you don't have to. Understand? Because the trend is always is a downtrend. But when on this 1 hour, yes, on this 1 hour, you're looking at it in a consolidating manner. Because now this was the high, and these are two lows. These are two lows. Understand? So we're gonna have to form another high here until the decision of the market is complete. Understand?
Yeah. So if it's going to form another high, so we have to search for opportunity to enter there.
Yes. If you miss this opportunity, you're gonna have to maybe wait. If you are, but you have to have it, or you have to have this on your rules. You don't just do it because of you wanna do it. You already know that the market will come to this area. But if you miss an entry here, you have your own rules that you've written down of saying if market breaks this area here, if market does this and come back into this area, I'm looking for a double bottom here to enter the market to this area.
Go up.
So you always have to pre-plan. You have to pre-plan all these things. So that's why you have to have all these rules written down. So with all this said, let's say now you enter on this because you see this an engulfing candle, right? Someone would enter this market now because of this engulfing candle on the double, right? Let's say you enter here, for a buy. The stop loss has to be below. Understand?
Yeah.
And the target, then here, then it's fine. The market will do exactly how you want it to do. Even if it comes into the double bottom and goes away, and your risk is fine. You risk it, your reward is okay. But you have to also risk what you can, because probably this might be around $15, $20. If I'm not mistaken. With a lower size, lot size. So when it comes to this, then I've shown you right now. You're looking for analysis in 1 hour, right? Because you already know that on the daily what we were looking for. We look for structure, we look for conditions and all that. Now we know that the market is in a downtrend, right?
Yes.
Yes. But now here you're gonna look for your entry reasons and your stops. So on 1 hour, what you're gonna do also is your recent highs and lows. Now here, then check what did the previous market do. It was an uptrend before it broke. Let's see. Yes, it was. It was an uptrend, and the uptrend was broken down. So you have to always be accurate. Always be accurate. You see, you connect the wicks only, not the body.
Yeah,
See,
the
as long as you have 3 weeks touching, then the rest, the other parts can touch, is fine. But just have your wicks. Find the wicks only. Then on this one here. Now we're finding reasons for entries. You see, now we have another line going down. So the market was in an uptrend. It was broken to a downtrend. Now we're forming a downtrend. It's not yet a downtrend because it's not matured. It's just one touch here. You understand?
Okay. Yeah.
So for it to mature, it has to come back and be tested. But you already know that on your daily, the market is going down. So here, you're pre-planning now. Planning, you wanna say, now I'm not gonna enter on this double bottom. But already I know my market is going down. So this double bottom might be invalid. Understand? So you're gonna wait for market to come to your area, come in this area, then check whether if your market comes to an area of value like this, here you can look for sell opportunities like this. You see this an engulfing candle here on the trend line. It's the most important area. It's the reason you can enter here. Here. The market that's how we entered the market. It's almost I gave this trade. This is where I said, guys, let's sell the market here. Here, and then the market will take because of this engulfing at an area of. See, if you check here, this is the resistance.
But no, I want to find out. No. Yeah, I wanted to find out how did you enter there if the trend line was not there. So it's because of that area. No, my concern was how did you enter there if there was no trend line?
Where? Yeah.
No, here where there is engulfing.
Yeah, so it's an area of value. Let me show you. It's an area of value. This is an area of value. You check
it. No, I got the point now. Okay. Yeah.
It's an area of value because the market broke down. You wait for a retest. Even if you're a breakout trader, you would have entered here. But now, just to be cautious. You wait for the market to come and retest this area. But then market tested this area twice. It gave us a double top. Also, you have two reasons for now. Because the market gave you this top here and another top. If you are a double top, and double bottom trader, this is your entry. This is a double top. See, but for me, to enter this market, I did enter because of the engulfing candle. So this candle here, there is at an area of value. So I don't just take it anywhere and everywhere. You take the entries where you know you have a high probability of winning the trade. Understand?
Yes.
Yes. So that's what I'm saying. Even now on this other one here, now on this current, we're gonna look for something like this. Something like this. And then we wait. We wait for this market to give us what? A top and another top. Then we know that it's
okay.
Because already we know we are in a downtrend, right? From the higher time frame. Yes. So we're not looking for buys.
But
you're not gonna look for buy in this market because your overall trend from the higher time frame says it's a downtrend.
It says it's a downtrend, yeah.
Yes. So all your opportunities have to come from.
But here,
all your opportunities have to come from your downtrend. Because here you can scalp it. You can take this trade. It's fine. This double bottom. You can take it. Now enter here. Stop loss here. It's fine. You can take it, but it's not gonna be a swing. It's not gonna be a profitable long trade. You're gonna take it, be in profit from here, and then market takes you out. Then you are surprised why did it happen? But you forgot that the overall trend from the higher time frame is a downtrend. You understand? Until that trend from the lower time frame, from the higher time frame changes, until the higher time frame changes direction, you can then now look for what? For opportunities. But again, if this market gives you this, now it comes here, it gives you a double bottom. Here you can enter because now it gives you a valid one because it's this one, and there's going to be it means that it's rejecting now. It means this area is very strong for these sellers to break. So you enter your market here, you're going to take your profit there.
Oh, enter there on the invitations of the reject candles, isn't it?
Yeah, you enter on the engulfing candle. If this market comes this side here, and then gives you a candle. This, and you get an engulfing candle. And then now this is where you enter the market. This is where you enter here. Stop loss below. Then your target here. Then it's gonna give you that because of already it's been rejected once, twice. This will be the third time rejection. So which means the area is valid for support. It's been rejected 3 times. It's a valid support. Then you can buy the market. Understand? And these are the conditions you need to write on your trading plan. You don't just do it because I'm saying it and then you just do it. You have to have it on your journal. You have to have it as your plan so that you know when it occurs, you followed your rules. Even if you lose it, you know that I lost, but I followed my rules. It's a beautiful loss. You're losing a nice trade. You're never gonna feel pressure. It's gonna help you with your psychology also. You understand? because
Yes.
following your plans, it's not like I also don't lose on the market, but I lose nicely because of I follow my plans, and then when it doesn't work out, I know I said I followed all my rules. I'm happy with it.
Mm.
But if you don't follow your rules, you're gonna have panic attacks. You don't know whether to close or what. You're just confused throughout. It's gonna be a roller coaster of emotions. You understand?
Yeah. Mm.
So you have to know what you're doing in order for you to eliminate the emotions when it comes to this thing.
Yes, boss.
So I don't know, is there any other thing that I left out that I can help?
No, it's cool. Maybe the stop loss we didn't touch there.
Okay, with stop
Maybe
losses,
if we can use the current market where we are here to say where to.
Okay, if let's say you wanna buy then the market, right? In this area,
Yes.
that's because of that double bottom, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let me do this. Yes. Let's say you enter on this engulfing candle here, on this big one, right? When it closes, you enter here. Then your stop loss has to be at least here.
Below, yeah, below the support.
Below both the lows. It has to be below both the lows. But I use more advanced ways myself. You understand? I use more advanced ways, of which I'll teach you on the other video, using the ATR.
Oh, okay.
You wanna use
I pick up that one with other video because that one I got that one in the examples of one-to-one because I downloaded that one and I have it.
Oh, okay. At least you now know how to use the ATR. But I'm happy with how you now gonna see the market, because if you are able to see the trends, and if you are able to see the available areas, you're gonna kill this market. Because it's important to understand these two areas. This area, it gives you a support now. It's a double bottom, and then if it's tested again the third time, and then it rejects, it's a valid support. We enter buys. I'll send signals in the group. You'll see what we spoke about.
Yeah.
So yeah, overall I'm happy. I don't know if you have other questions, but still I'm gonna show you a more advanced way of saying how to see this, and also I'm gonna teach you Fibonacci's on using them properly. Understand?
Yeah.
Even if in this downtrend, the market has to, you see, from this point here to this 0 point, the market has to at least give you a 661 retracement like this, or 50, then to hit this target. To hit the first target, you have your target here,
Before
second target here.
Okay.
So Fibonacci's are also good, you understand? But it's another story for another day. We'll just check it out when we have time another time. So, but overall, I'm very with what we
I want to find out. Can I ask you something?
Yes.
You normally analyze with the computer or with your mobile phone, or which one do you use?
It's best to analyze on your computer because of you see the overall picture. Understand? With your mobile, your trend lines, you can put them the next day. When you get out of the MetaTrader, they disappear. You have to reanalyze and all that. it's going to be a problem. And it depends on which phone again you're using. If you're using an Android, it's a problem. If you're using an iOS, it's better and analyze on an iPhone. But I prefer using a laptop. Understand? You can analyze on the laptop and all that, but take your trades on the phone because of you already know where to take the trades. It's fine, but then do your analysis on your computer.
Yeah, because sometimes the phone is very flexible. You can move around with it, you know. And having computer it works sometimes.
There's no problem. There's no problem using your phone. There's no problem as long as you get to understand your phone. Because your phone sometimes might be, you know, when you zoom out like this, when you zoom in, you know, it gives you some market that is not clear. You understand? I don't know how to explain it, but with a mobile, it's difficult to analyze. You can take trades, but it's difficult to analyze.
Boss?
So,
are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay. You were saying?
I was saying on the mobile it's going to be difficult to analyze. It's better to do it on the phones.
Oh, better to use the computer.
Yeah. I mean, it's better to use your computer. Yes.
Oh, okay.
All right, sir. We might end our session there. Then we'll hold another session maybe during the week, next week. And then
Or sometimes you can hold the platform for the overall people or just one-to-one.
No, I can hold a session for several people. I'm planning on doing it because of now our community is growing. You see, we have a lot of people now. Our premium. So
it's true.
I'm gonna do it with all of you now, or whoever wants to join the live will join. But now this was just this was just a one-on-one introduction to my style of training, because now it's our first time interacting since we've been in our premium.
Yeah, it's great. Really, I get a clear picture.
Yeah. No, I'm glad that you getting what I'm saying, and yeah, I'll change how you see the market, man.
Can I have a copy of this one or the recording one?
I'll send it to you. I'll send it to you.
Okay.
Right,
no, be blessed. Thank you for the information.
Yeah, man. Stay blessed also, and trade safe. Always follow my rules. Don't overtrade. Don't take trades that are not planned.
Yeah, thank you very much, boss.
All right, thanks, man. This is the Vix Master signing out.
Okay, thank you, boss.